Does this look familiar? You'd like your corporate Word templates to have a consistent look, especially with text formatting. And yet here we are, people using fonts and formatting that don't match your brand guidelines. Even pasting content can mess up your files. How many times have you seen Microsoft Word transfer styles and formatting during pasting, or make other changes you don't want? Now you have to spend hours proofreading and correcting errors. I've developed the Microsoft Word Template Protector service, which helps users to stick to brand guidelines, format text consistently, and cut down time spent on reformatting documents. Choose which Home tab buttons to deactivate, including font menus, so users can only choose the fonts in the text styles you've approved. For the Paste button, you can choose to change how it behaves. In this template, we can copy text in from another file, and it looks consistent with the rest of our document. There are no unwanted changes in the body of our file or in the Styles pane. You can reformat the text quickly and move on to your next task. It's time to find better ways of working with Microsoft Word. If you want to save time and frustration and have better looking Word documents, visit www.natalielawrence.com to find out more about the Microsoft Word Template Protector.